Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be sharing the final week of Christmas in July, and I will be decorating my Christmas fireplace console. So if you'd like to see what that looks like, then stick around. But before we get into that, I would like to give a special thanks to our host for this open collaboration, which was Allie from Elegant Glam Living, and also our co-hosts, which are the exclusive Christmas Decor Club. And I'm going to be listing all of their names at the end of the video as well as in the description box. So be sure to stop by their channels, check out what they've been presenting each Saturday in the month of July. It has been a lot of fun, lots of inspiration for your Christmas 2021 decor needs. So be sure to stop by. So let me go ahead and get started with what I've done with my console. Now, our challenge for this week was to use a restoration hardware inspired theme. And so that's what I tried to do here. Restoration hardware tends to be very minimalist and very modern and rustic. And so that was what I went for this. So I took my little centerpiece that I had, and I took some gold vase filler that I had, and I just kind of stuck those in there. And then on the sides, I had those branches that I just slid those up under it just for a more dramatic look, and so that it covered the entire fireplace console. And then I just put my little tree there that I spray painted gold. And then my other decor is just everyday decor that I would use. I have my little struggle statue down on the bottom that I love. I brought that downstairs from my office and just moved it in here. I've got my Tom Ford book, and then the little hand there I picked up from Target, if you saw that, with the little holding the little ball, which was also from that same vase filler. So that's what I did for the fireplace. Very minimalist, I think, but I do like the way that it turned out. I just love neutral colors. And then over here on my coffee table, I just put 2 candles. These are Mackenzie Childs candles, and then my little Christmas tree in the middle. And then I just have my restoration hardware catalogs that are sitting there. I just love to flip through those books and get all types of inspiration. So that's what I've done in this space here. What are your favorite colors for Christmas? I really like to switch up my colors every year for Christmas, and this year I'm all about the neutral colors and more earthy tones. I really like that. I like the traditional colors as well, but I do like to change up. What is your theme for this year? Do you know already? I know it's just July, but before we know it, it will be here.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
please don't forget to stop by our host, Glam Elegant Living, as well as the Christmas exclusive Decor Club's channels. That is JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, the Rodgers House, Buckeye Girls Reefs and Things, A Happy Horder, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Creations by Simone, as well as myself, Sister Cousin Lifestyle. The playlist, all of the details that you need to go over to their channels will be in the playlist below. And I thank you so much for stopping by today. If you're not currently a subscriber of my channel, I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, the post notification bell, so that you're notified each time I upload a video. And to all of my returning family members, thank you so very much for stopping back by. I do appreciate each and every one of you, and I wish you all a happy Saturday. Have a great one, and I hope to see you over here on my next video. Bye now.